To make vertically placed buttonholes, begin by marking your fabric 3/4 of an inch down from the top edge. I want my buttonholes to be 5/8 of an inch from the edge of my fabric. So I'm going to make sure that it's 5/8 of an inch from the edge here. And now I'm going to go and just measure the buttonhole placement on my guide. So in the guide, they used the buttonholes that are perpendicular to the front facing of the shirt, and I prefer to have mine going parallel to the front instead of perpendicular. So I'm going to measure how far apart these buttons are. They are placed 3 7/8 inches apart. So if I know I want my first buttonhole to begin here, I'm going to go down my shirt with the ruler, and every 3 7/8 make a mark. For my buttonhole guide. Okay, that's where I want my buttonholes to be, and they are, I believe it's 3/4 of an inch wide on that one, so I'm going to make mine 3/4 of an inch long. I'm going to begin here, and it's going to be, I'm going to draw it in 3/4 of an inch long. Go down to the next one. Draw it 3/4 of an inch long. And the last one. This is my preference for sewing the buttonholes because when you sew them, it's easier to keep it straight if you can line it up with the edge of your fabric. So next step is to sew the buttonholes.